let's touch on that for a minute, because that's one thing, and maybe I'll have you back on, that there are a lot of symptoms that overlap that could be ADHD, that or
Hmm.
could be trauma. And what
Yeah,
is frightening to me is there are children that are being diagnosed with ADHD when they haven't even been screened for their trauma. And
I
it
know.
could be trauma as opposed to ADHD and getting medication that they don't need.
Yeah. Agreed. You know, the way we diagnose ADHD is developmental. We see it in the developmental age symptoms between the ages of 0 and 12. However, if that child has been traumatized
Yep.
between the ages of 0 and 12, we are now dealing with a different brain. And so it's really hard to kind of parse things out. Yes, it is. It's very problematic. The way that for adults, the way I, as assessment, parse it out is I really, look at when their trauma occurred. I try to see if their ADHD, I could prove it before the age of 12, and if their trauma happened after, maybe the age of
Mm-hmm.
12. And I really go through symptoms. But I do, I, if you come in for an ADHD assessment, you're getting a trauma assessment too from
Yeah.
me, because it, if I can't determine if it's ADHD or trauma, at least I can tell what symptoms are impacting you. So then we
Right.
can address them. Because who
Right.
cares if it's ADHD or trauma? Those are labels. Right now, it's like what symptoms are keeping you off of your healing path? Your symptoms are the weeds on the path. We just got to weed them
Mm-hmm.
out.
Mm-hmm.
So then you can walk, nice and tall along your path.
That's one thing I wish doctors, the pediatricians would do, is
Yeah.
do that assessment. And I know that
Yeah.
our schools are the teachers are getting better trained to look for trauma. I know my daughter-in-law, she works at a charter school, and they are full on trained on trauma. So
Good.
thank God, but our pediatricians need to look at that more. I don't know. My son's
Yeah.
almost 35 years old, so I haven't been to a pediatrician for a while, but I don't know if they're doing that now, but I know that that's something that should be assessed, I think.
It's getting better. There was a huge study out a while ago called ACEs. I can't remember what
Yes,
ACEs stands
yes.
for. Yeah.
Yeah,
So there's more knowledge getting out, and physicians are getting trained. It's not as mainstream. It
right.
needs to be like secondhand, or
Correct.
not secondhand, second nature. You come in, we trauma screen,
Right. Yeah, yeah.
because it's
Everybody.
so prevalent. You
Yeah,
got it.
everybody.
You
Yeah,
got
I
it.
know there's the ACE test, and then there's also um um Tim Fletcher he's done a modified one, which is 60 questions, which goes in deeper. It goes even deeper, like, because there's things, because the ACE test is only 10 questions, so it's pretty
Yeah.
broad. It's still great. I mean, I scored a 7 out of 10
I
on
still
that.
use it as a screener for all my
Yes.
clients. So
Yeah.
I want to guess.
It's a definite starting point
Yeah.
for sure. Yeah. And it definitely
Yeah.
gives you an idea of where you're at,
Oh,
which is
yeah.
really helpful. Knowledge is power. I swear.
You
Knowledge is
got it.
power.
I
Yeah.
say that all the time too.
Hmm.
Knowledge is power. Did we get that from Schoolhouse Rocks? Where did we get that?
I don't
Knowledge
know.
is power.
But I know I say it all the time. It's like, and I
I love
tell,
it.
I mean, that's what's empowered me is I've learned more about trauma, and I've learned more about all the effects of it and the behaviors and
Yeah.
everything. It has empowered me because it's really put a space between me and my trauma. Does that make
Yeah.
sense? It's,
Totally makes
my
sense.
trauma for so long was my identity, and it
Hmm.
was so much, it felt like a part of me. And as I've learned about trauma, and I've learned about my behaviors, and I've learned all this, I've been able to put a space between it and go, wait, 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 that's my trauma, and there's me.
You got it. Yeah, we are not our trauma.
Mm-mm.
We are so much more than our trauma. Our trauma is a light shade hindering our light is all it is. It's
Oh,
not a part of
yeah.
us, right?
That's
We
a
just
great way to
gotta,
put it.
yeah, we just gotta get it off. And it
Yeah.
is not who we are. It does not define us. But all too often, that's what brings people into therapy. I am broken.
No.
I am hurt. Right? I am. And I'm like, ooh, let's back that up. I don't want you to say I am this. I don't want you to even say I am. I want you to not even say I. I just want you to be. Right?
Yeah.
Ah, let's
Yeah.
just exist. No labels. and let's exist.
I
But we
agree.
we do. And I did it too with my ADHD. I did it too, right?
Yeah.
I'm always this, I'm always that. I can't shut up. I can't sit still. I can't. I am. Ugh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I know. We're labeling so many things and
Yeah.
it limits us and that is what that's what closes our mind to being able to go into healing because healing like I said, it's multi-level. It's it's
You've got
just
it.
it's just it's a lot, but it's worth it. It's worth it.